my beautiful souls and warriors. Welcome to Thursday's Tips. Let's start here because this matters. Discernment is your ability to recognize what is true, not what's loud, not what feels urgent, not what feels overwhelming, but actually what is true for you. It's how you know what is yours and what is not, what is aligned and what is not, what supports you and what drains you. And during this healing process, discernment becomes essential. As you grow into awareness, you also grow in sensitivity. You begin to feel more, notice more, pick up on more. And without discernment, that awareness can become confusing. Now, let's talk about something real. There are moments when your energy drops, when your clarity feels off, when your mind feels scattered. And within those moments, it can feel like something is working against you. You might call it a spiritual attack or energy disruption. But let's ground this. When your system is overwhelmed, your access to discernment becomes quieter. Not because it's gone, but because everything else seems louder. Fear becomes louder. Doubt becomes louder. External voices become louder. And your inner knowing feels distant. So, what do most people do? They try to fight it. They try to force clarity. They try to figure everything out. But that usually makes it worse. So today, we are not forcing anything. We are rebuilding. And rebuilding discernment starts with this. Stop reacting. If something feels urgent, pause. If something feels overwhelmed, take a step back and then start to decompress from that energy. Because discernment does not come through pressure, it comes through calm. And that's the key. Just because something feels strong does not mean it is true. True feels steady, not chaotic. So instead of asking, what's happening to me? Ask, what feels calm right now? Follow that, my warriors and beautiful souls. Even if it's small, even if it's just choosing to rest, to disconnect, to not engage, that is discernment in action. Another way to support yourself is to reduce what you're taking in. Too much input creates confusion. Give yourself space, give your mind space, but most definitely give your energy space. Because clarity does not come from more information, it comes from less noise. And finally, be patient with yourself. I know this is a hard one, but we have to try. This is not a setback, this is a recalibration. Your system is asking for more support, not pressure. So meet yourself there. You don't need to have all the answers today. You don't need to force clarity. You just need to stay connected to yourself. And slowly, your discernment will return. Stronger, steadier, more grounded than ever before. Now, before we close, I want you to remember this. You are not as lost as you feel. You are returning to yourself. Give yourself space. Clarity will come back stronger. My beautiful souls and warriors, take that with you as you move through your day. Until we meet again, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.